guys, welcome to Traffic Kids. So today we're gonna make little porcupine. That's it. So first we're gonna make yellow, which is like a tan color. So I'm just gonna mix some yellow with some lighter brown, like. Okay, now that I got a good base color, I'm simply gonna have a top color, which, let's see, is going to be this with a bit of mixed up. Maybe this. This is gonna be our top color, and you have our eyes right here. So first, I have a base color, and I'm gonna roll it into a ball. Then after I did that, I am gonna take the top and then put it on top. So I'm gonna make another tiny circle. Make sure it's, actually I'm gonna make a little oval. This lizard's outside. Then I'm gonna pick a flat little thing and I'm gonna put it over where I want it. But then I'm gonna make a circle again with it. So just make sure it's nice and careful. Oh yeah, this is a challenge. I can only use this tiny pencil. So I'm gonna make sure the shape is good on the sides. I'm gonna push it up if it's not. I'm gonna make tiny little dots like this to create the little spikes, I should say. Okay, now that we have that, I'm gonna take the base and I'm gonna make two tiny little circles to make the little feet. But then I gotta make the back leg, so I have this because you have to make basically a little ball and have a flat piece, put it on, and then you have to make two tiny circles and place it on and then right next to it. Now we're gonna do that to the other side. Ready? Gonna make a tiny circle. Tiny. Like, let's see how tiny. This tiny. And I'm gonna put it where you want your face. Like on the nose part. So it's like this. Then you're gonna have black. Ooh, this really stains your fingers. This is the harder part. So I have like a tiny circle like right here. You can barely see. Let's see now. This tiny thing I'm gonna try to make a tiny one for the eye. Like I took the pencil and made it tiny circle. Place it around where the muscle is. Little circle is. I'm gonna make another one of those. Really tiny and careful. So this is a super simple challenge for you. You guys just could do it. Just with one single tiny tool and try to do it and see how good you can make. Right now I'm giving you a tutorial and a challenge. So now I'm gonna flatten out the eye. I'm gonna make a little same circle, except maybe a bit bigger. Not that much bigger. To make the little nose. I'm gonna put it in the muzzle. See? I got a hole right here. I put a little hole. I'm gonna fill that hole in with a little black dot. See? I guess the second eye is looking a bit down. I'm gonna make it again. So I'm gonna make another little black eye. Black eye, that sounds easy to say. And then I'm gonna cover it. Okay, now I'm gonna make the little bow. So I have a little pink. I'm gonna make one tiny dot. One dot. Gonna make two a big, tiny bit bigger dots, like this. Got it. So now I'm gonna, my big finger's in the way, so yeah. I attached them, like a little elbow. I'm gonna do the same to the other side. I have this little bow. I'm gonna place it right on top of the head. So now I'm gonna go over the spikes again, because I want them spiky. Okay, so we have this little guy, but I have to bake it and preheat the oven to 275. So I'm gonna bake it in the oven, just give me a little bit, okay? But for now, this is our final product. It just returned hard, but it looks the same. I'm gonna name it Porky. No, not Porky. Let's name it okay, let's name it Boa. Just name it Boa. It's a little bow. So this is our added Porky Hunt, added to our collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our kids. Bye.